Many parents focus only on feeding and sleep, but real baby care goes far beyond that, because small daily mistakes can silently affect a baby's growth, immunity, and overall health without showing immediate symptoms. Ignoring feeding cues, delaying feeds, improper burping, overdressing or underdressing the baby, skipping tummy time, not tracking wet diapers, poor hygiene, and assuming that crying is always normal can slowly create problems like poor weight gain, digestive discomfort, dehydration, frequent infections, and delayed development. Babies communicate through behavior, not words, so changes like unusual fussiness, excessive sleepiness, reduced feeding interest, fewer wet diapers, frequent spit-ups, or restless sleep are early warning signs that parents must never ignore. Proper baby care means observing patterns, maintaining consistent feeding routines, ensuring correct latch or formula preparation, allowing enough sleep, practicing skin-to-skin contact, keeping the baby clean but not overwashing, and responding to signals on time. Many serious baby health issues start as small, unnoticed signs, and parents often realize the problem only when it becomes severe. The good news is that most baby health problems are preventable with awareness, consistency, and timely action, and when parents understand their baby's signals and daily needs, they can protect their baby's health, support healthy growth, and build a strong foundation for lifelong well-being.